Welcome to week 15, where a lot has happened. We have had plaster, paint, bathroom, skirting boards, the lot, you name it. It's been a busy week and yeah, really excited, so let's get straight to it. Okay, so week 15. Can't believe it, but they've been busy down here, which I've been so excited for them to start down here, if I'm honest. Plasterboarding the ceilings. So this is looking a lot fresher down here already. And they've plasterboarded the utility and popped insulation into the utility as well. So I'm happy with how this is progressing now. So yeah, you have to put the pink one wherever there's a steel beam. Okay, so luckily in here today, that wall, these little things, and this wall were also plastered, which means that this room is now fully plastered and we can just wait for it to dry. And once it's dried, we can start painting. We're just about to go and pick up our paint sprayer in a minute. But yeah, they also plastered this wall, which a bit random that that bit's started to dry already, but yeah, feels a bit warmer up here than it has done. That bit's plastered up there as well. That looks really nice, I think, with the door surround. But yes, we also had quite a lot of the bathroom. If you've seen last week's video, by the way, you would have seen that we miscoated this room. This is just a miscoat, but we couldn't do that wall because it was still wet, but it's looking like maybe tomorrow we'll be able to miscoat that wall as well. But they're because we've painted in here now, they're storing all of our stuff here. So we've had a big order from Victorian Plumbing today and better bathrooms. So if you are looking for some stuff, I would definitely check out the two companies, because Better Bathrooms, they came in a lot cheaper on a lot of stuff, but what they didn't have was some of the options that Victorian Plumbing have. So yeah, that's why we've mainly gone for Victorian Plumbing over Better Bathrooms, is because they had more options. But I think if Better Bathrooms had those options, they would have been cheaper. So I would definitely check them out. But what have we even got here? Boring pipes. God, can't close that now. Anything. Oh, what's this? I think that's the bath tap. One of them's the bath tap anyway, and one of them's the sink tap. I'll get these out when I've got more hands to show you. But yeah, so that's what's happened today. We've had a bit more plastering going on, a bit more plasterboarding going on, a bit of tidying, and we finally have the first bedroom complete. So yeah, I'm just excited that this room is complete now, because yeah, once it's dry, we are gonna go full force and paint it. Be nice to have another room done, but I'll show you the bathroom as well. So this is the bathroom at the moment. Yeah, we did quite a good mist coat in here yesterday. So now we just need to do, yeah, the final coat. Hoping to try and get that done tonight, because I've got a feeling the plumber might start putting the shower tray down tomorrow, so I don't really want to be painting over any of our stuff that we've bought. So yeah, looking forward to that. But yeah, that looks nice now it's been plastered. I really do like that. And yeah, it's just looking like an actual house up here at the moment, which is exciting. Just need the windows. Okay, so it's rather dark, but hoping this outdoor light will do me some favours in trying to show you what's been going on. So there were loads of plasterers here today, like loads, it was so loud. So they've done the ceiling above the stairs, and the plasterer I showed you yesterday had done around the door. But then over here, if I stand over here, they've also done this side. So once all that's dry, I'll be able to paint around here. So it just looks like they still need to do over the stairs. Looks like a bit of a dangerous job, but I'm sure they know what they're doing. So yeah, I have no idea how we're gonna get up there to paint, but we will. And then this room's drying out nicely. So I'm hoping on the weekend I might get a chance to paint this, if not Friday night, something like that. So nothing's happened in the bathroom, same old, same old. And then this is what they've done in the main bedroom. So they've done the ceiling. Done the ceiling. That wall over there. So once that's painted, we can get our radiator in. And then yeah, they've done that. So I'm hoping they're coming back tomorrow to finish off this room, because once this room is done, it means we can just stop painting and maybe move in when the windows are in. Windows due next week, I think. Okay, so on Thursday the plumber came and put some stuff in its place. I think the only thing that was actually plumbed in today was the shower tray, and everything else was just kind of propped up and yeah, just placed where it should be. But I'm absolutely obsessed with how it's looking at the moment. So yeah, really happy. We decided we're gonna have the bath in the center of the window, and some of the gold fixtures and fittings were popped in, which I love. I actually really like it with the plastery colour behind, but never mind. And if we go into the back bedroom, it's really dark. I'm sorry about that, but all the plastering has now been complete apart from around the windows in this room, so we can go ahead and paint it. Okay, so this is how the bathroom is looking at the moment. So they're the tiles that we're going for. The towel radiator is on the wall. I was worried it might look a bit too bling bling, which it does a little bit, but it's going to be behind the shower with towels all over it. So I think it won't be too bad once the towels are on it and we're actually living here. And then over this side, we've agreed to move the toilet over to about here. I think that gives us enough room, which means we can have about a 600 by 400 vanity unit there. And this bath is going to go completely dead in the centre of the window, and then the tap's going to come out of the wall there. So there's that. And then over here, we've had some good progress. So the shower has kind of been a little bit installed, and yeah, I think it'll look nice against those tiles, and hopefully it'll feel a little bit more warmer than what it looks like down there. And then nothing's really changed in here. We're going to do that wall today. And then if I show you this room. Bring you in here. So you can't see that well, it's a bit dark, but we've had this whole room plastered now. So it means we can just go ahead, crack on and have this painted probably tomorrow, just because obviously this is not fully dry yet. But it has dried quite a lot from this morning, so I wonder maybe later if that will be completely dry or not. But yeah, it's actually looking a lot more dry than it did this morning. But yeah, we're not painting this today anyway. I don't think we've got enough paint. So yeah, that's how up here is looking. We also had the skirting boards arrive. How nice are these? They're like 7 inches, which might be a bit too big for up here, but it's fine. So if any of these are left over, then they'll go downstairs as well. But yeah, I just wanted nice big skirting boards. I really like big skirting boards, give that Victorian look. So yeah, we had these delivered as well. And I'm not sure if I showed you, but we had our Victorian plumbing order arrive on Monday. So that's what came with Victorian plumbing. Oh yeah, quite a lot of the gold stuff. So this came, that came, that came. The toilet was Victorian plumbing as well. But also in here, we've had these. They're the shower screens. They're really heavy. But today's job is to give this room its first mist coat with the paint sprayer, which is in here. So it's that one there. So we're going to get that all out now and give it a go. Okay, so we've put the sprayer together. We weren't expecting it to be a self-assembly thing. Could have done without putting it together, but we've put it together now. It wasn't really that hard, but obviously we haven't turned it on yet, so I'm a bit scared that it's all just going to pop off when we turn it on, so wish us luck. But that is paint. Okay, so just cleaning up the machine now. We've pumped water through it, we've cleaned the nozzles. I'm hoping that we've done a good enough clean of a job that when we come to use it tomorrow, it'll be nice and clean. So, yeah, I mean, the paint inside of this machine, yeah, oh my god, it doesn't feel like any work, really. The setting it up and the cleaning it and trying to get it to work, like stops halfway through, is quite frustrating, but you know, it is what it is. It's quick and easy. So we ran out of paint, which is quite annoying, so we'll have to do a second coat in here either tomorrow or, you know, after work this week, because yeah, we need to get it done really, and then we need to get the back room done as well. So yes, lots of painting for us to do in the next few days. But yeah, as you can see, my hair is white and I do have blonde hair, but this is paint. So maybe I'll have to wear a cap next time. Yeah, as you can see already, the white is starting to look really nice. So yeah, it's just a shame we ran out of paint. We're such idiots. We literally drove past B&M earlier and just forgot that we needed paint. We had half a tub. So to be fair, like, we managed to just scrape some bits that are a bit patchy where we literally just ran out. So, but yeah, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so that's what I've got for you for today's episode, guys. If you like this episode, then please give it a thumbs up or subscribe. That would be amazing. Like you can see, we are like coming to the end of the upstairs renovation, so it's super exciting and I want you to see how it looks at the end. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you next week.